Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you another knife that I just got recently. It's a Boker Plus, and this will be the Vox F3.5. The model number is 01BO337, and I did show a few Boker knives here on my channel. Some of them were cheaper ones. This one is from the Boker Plus, but still this is I would say medium, or should I say cheaper line of knives that they offer, but usually they come only in a black box. So this was a really nice surprise. When I did open it up, it did came in a nice pouch. So like I do, I make my videos really fresh out of the box to give you the same experience you will get when you are buying the knife new. If the knife was used, I will always mention it in my video. So this was bought new from a distributor, and everything inside, so the silica packet, and here's some information booklets about some knives. They have new knives in different languages, and there is a really nice pouch. So I was really surprised. Yes, lots of Chinese brands nowadays will give you for this price amount a nice pouch in which you can hold probably two knives, one smaller one, larger one, and then some accessories, maybe just cleaning cloth. There was no cleaning cloth inside, only the obligatory tool to disassemble the knife like they usually do. That is a really nice touch, and thumbs up for them. So comes packaged in this piece of paper. And since this is a Jesper Voxnaes design, you are getting a really beautiful premium design knife. So right from the start, I must say this knife is completely new, of course, and really stiff. So opening it up with two hands is no problem, but with one hand it is sometimes really hard. So I don't know what is going on. Maybe the detent ball is too sunk in, or maybe I'm just pushing on the frame, but then I tried not to push. So this was firstly a really big disappointment. With the knife of MSRP of $129.99, this should not happen. So I don't know if just I have a fluke, or maybe this needs to be breaking in, who knows. But if you try, you can open it, and maybe if I open it 100 times, then it will smooth up, or maybe I have to bend out the liner some to ease the tension. And why it is so, I will tell you right in a few moments. So just give you a quick specifications. So we have a overall length of 8 inches or 20.3 centimeters. The blade is 3.37 inches or 8.56 centimeters. The cutting edge is 3.25 inches or 8.25 centimeters. The blade thickness is 0.16 inches or 4 millimeters, so really nice thick stock right there. The blade is made of D2, so you are getting much better steel than just your standard HCR13 MOE, which a lot of Boker knives are offered in. Centering is perfect. Let's check the backspacer. So backspacer is steel, and as you can see, the frame is also steel, so maybe probably there is a little bit of a problem there. But I had knives in the past, they were in stainless steel frame again, had not this kind of stiff tension right there. Okay, so the handle is 4.6 inches or 11.7 centimeters. The handle width is 1.12 inches or 2.8 centimeters. The handle thickness is 0.47 inches or 1.2 centimeter, and is made out of G10 and stainless steel. Let me just quick wipe down the blade, because as you can see right there, it is a nice satin finish, which is a fingerprint magnet, and that is, I always really dislike that finish, just because of that nasty fingerprinting, and yeah, you know what I mean. So this is a excellent designed knife, and if this would be a EDC for me, I would much prefer this is it would be applied a stone washed finish on the blade. But nevertheless, this is a gorgeous finish on it. So the knife looks beautiful. You have also probably heat anodized. Well, let me check if the clip is. Yeah, the clip is also steel. So this is probably heat anodized. Also the hardware, and still maybe some kind of plating. Who knows? Hardware matching nicely. A bit of a logo engraved into the G10. We have a larger grain but overall smooth G10 finish or G10 version. This is the probably the numbering. They're numbering some of these knives. Has of course Jesper's Voxnaes logo there, and Boker Plus on the blade. These are made in China, like all Boker Plus knives. So we have a nice beautiful clip point with a false edge on the top. Given that we have here a stainless steel frame lock, of course the weight would be a little bit on the higher side. So we have a 5.6 ounces total weight, or 158.7, so almost 160 grams. We have a really nice cutout here, so we can disengage the knife. Probably that there is no D10 ball ramp applied, because you can hear the clicking. Engagement really nice, sturdy lockup, and given this is a really nice flat grind, this is a slicer, scary sharp right out of the box. So these aspects of the knife are great, but the one big downside for now, but keep in mind this is a new knife, is the opening. Yeah, maybe there are some kind of European tolerances applied to be harder to open, but then of course, as you can see, probably it needs maybe a better position, or it is because of the tension that is applied when you're grabbing the knife. So who knows? If I decide to keep this knife and use it, then I will make an update, but who knows, probably this will be sold or given away as a gift to somebody. Okay, so let's see the pocket profile. I mentioned that I really like the pocket clip. It is almost perfect, so almost like a wire clip. Deep carry, of course, that is always a win. You can see it completely is hidden, and if you are wearing jeans, then this balloonization is perfect for you. It's really a shame that they didn't went with titanium on the lock side, and this would probably much better knife. Then of course it will cost more. Like I mentioned, the MSRP of the knife is $129.99 US dollars. They usually go for under 100, and if you can get a deal on it, then you can probably go even less depending on your preferred reseller. Let me show you some size comparisons. Like I usually do, let's start with a Spyderco Delica. This is a much larger knife, of course. Well-known Spyderco Delica. Buck Vintage Pro large. Kershaw Skyline. Large Griptilian. And also let me put right there also a Strider SNG. And I have here also my old K-bar Dozier. Okay, so this was just a quick presentation of the Boker Plus Vox F3.5, a Jesper Voxnaes design made by Boker in China. And if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I will try to respond as soon as I can. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knives oriented, but also gear, flashlight, watches, and also hobby stuff like Warhammer and tools for your miniature painting and modeling. Okay, so thanks for watching and have a nice day. See you soon. Bye.